How is it going, guys? We made it to day 16 of our dropshipping challenge, and as you can see, I'm still on vacation. I'm still at my Airbnb, so I'm gonna make this quick. The update from my store, let me show you guys. So for the last 7 days, we got 2 orders. So I got one more, very exciting. So we have like 143 online sessions. Um, 7 add to cards and 5 re-checkout and 2 sessions converted. The conversion rate is for the store is like 1.4%, so it could be a lot better. So I haven't had the chance to update my store, to add more products. I have sourced like a couple more. I have like 3 to 4 products which I'm going to put onto my website when I have time, when I'm back home. That's in like 2 days, 2 to 3 days, I'm back home. So I have a lot more time to push content and everything, because while I'm on vacation, I barely do like upload one TikTok, one reel. And I want to push this to like 2 to 3 reels each day. So I will have time when I'm back at home, but on vacation, I have a lot of stuff to do. So yeah, it is what it is. Also, before I forget, hit the subscribe button and leave a like if you want to follow this journey, and if you like this content, to support this channel, to let me know if you guys are doing this journey as well, doing a challenge as well, or are already successfully dropshipping. But yeah, so I have the second order probably also came from that YouTube short. It reached around 30K viewers, so that's really exciting. So that's why I kind of really want to push this now, but I can't find the time on vacation. But I will definitely be doubling down on this art of content which I'm pushing out currently. So to get more sales, all right, and also to push more products onto the store, to build a whole brand around it. This is gonna be a lot of work, but I'm really excited and hyped to do that. I'm rested, and yeah, that's the thing that's going on right now. Instagram still isn't working at all. Like, my content doesn't get pushed. For YouTube Shorts, it's going well, and TikTok is kind of stale. It's the whole time the same. It's around 600 views. So I really have to change my art of content. And we did everything through TikTok organic. So we didn't spend a single dime on ads, which is going to change as well when I'm back, because when I have the time to build the store out, to make it more appealing and to push the conversion rate up, I'll start doing ads as well. I already have an idea with ads, but still the voice thing, I might do a voiceover, or ask some people, or just pay somebody to do a voiceover, because it's just literally like 5 to 6 sentences that I need. Or I'll still figure out how I can do it. But yeah, that's the status. I'm really excited for the next couple of days. So by the end, that after we are done with 1 month of this challenge, that we are really like converting a lot of sales, or get a sale each day, that would be awesome. But yeah, stay tuned for this, and see you guys next time. Bye.